In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Mailchimp subscription. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to follow inside your account to permanently cancel your plan and close your account. I'll also explain what's happening at each stage so you know what to expect and don't accidentally skip something important. First, sign into your Mailchimp account as you normally would. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, look to the top corner of the screen for your profile icon. This might be your initials, a logo, or a small avatar image. Click that profile icon, and from the menu that appears, select the option labeled Account and Billing. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your plan, billing, and account level settings. When you're on the Account and Billing page, find the section or menu labeled Settings. You'll see a drop-down menu there. Click that drop-down and choose Manage My Plan. This takes you to the area where you can view the details of your current subscription, including what plan you're on and any related options to change or cancel it. On the Manage My Plan page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Don't worry if you see a lot of information along the way. Just keep going until you reach the end of the page. Near the bottom, you'll see an option that says Delete My Account. Because this is a permanent action, Mailchimp keeps it a bit out of the way so you don't click it by accident. Once you're sure you're ready to cancel and close everything, click Delete My Account. After you click that, Mailchimp will guide you through an exit survey. This usually asks why you're leaving or canceling your subscription. Take a moment to answer the questions as best you can or choose the closest option that applies to your situation. When you finish the survey, click Continue to Delete to move on. Next, for security reasons, Mailchimp will ask you to confirm that you really want to permanently delete your account. You'll be prompted to enter your account password. Type your password carefully, then you'll see a field where you need to type the word delete in all capital letters. This is an extra step to prevent accidental cancellations. Once you've entered your password and typed delete, click the button labeled Permanently Delete. After this final confirmation, your Mailchimp subscription will be canceled and your account will be closed.